Oh, hi guys. I just thought I'd shoot this quick video to tell you about checklists that I've been preparing for you. I've found them incredibly useful in my high-ticket projects, and when you're making a product, for instance, there's so many bits you have to get together, and it will take work, as you know. But if you've got a checklist and say, have I done that, I've done that, boom, 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 boom. So I've prepared some checklists for you in various niches or parts of the marketing process, I should say. And I'll be releasing those to you over the next few days. Okay. The first one will be ready right now. You can, if you like, it's about product creation, and the second one I think is also ready, social media marketing. So if you like those, just leave me a comment below or PM me, and then I'll get back to you. Excuse me. And in the meantime, I'm going to have a nice little stroll along the beach.